Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I wanted to draw your attention today to a company. It's called Engio, and what it is it's actually an affiliate program where you are essentially paid to partner with them, obviously as an affiliate. And here, right here, I've got I was on the frequently asked questions page. I was just combing through some things, but just an incredible opportunity. This is actually your home page, and basically what you get is there is a no earnings cap. It's unlimited referrals on this. And what they have connected to this is actually a roadside assistance. It's $1 to sign up for that. You do need 2 separate emails when you're creating your account, and I actually give you step-by-step instructions. If you message me, I will give you step-by-step instructions, obviously, in creating your account. It's easy sign up. You get cash rewards. They pay you daily, guys. Get this. This is daily pay right to your ACH. So you actually provide your checking or savings account, and they will deposit to you daily, Monday through Friday, I believe. Let me go back and clarify that on the frequently asked questions here. I just want to make sure that I think it is a Monday through Friday payment here that they offer. It's an ACH transfer, as you see it right here, Monday through Friday to your savings, checking, or prepaid debit card that accepts ACH deposits. So there is no contract or membership term, associated with being an Engio affiliate. So anyway, just really, really fun, guys. They've got different cash rewards. You can actually go through these different categories, on your own. And again, it's $1 for the membership, and I wanted to actually share with you. Let me log in. I'm going to log in for you here and put my information in here so that you guys can see my first commission that I've earned here, so that you can see what is possible for you. And you just simply share this, guys. Like I always encourage everybody to have fun with your marketing. And there it is, 2115. Okay, and I don't have any pending signups right now, but I'm just getting this marketed, just getting it out here. Here is the roadside assistance mini plan that I was talking about. That's $1. And then you want to have 2 separate email addresses. Also right here, this is your W-9. You want to be sure and fill that out. So you want to fill out your payment details. You want to fill out your W-9 because you are an independent contractor with them. You're an affiliate. And obviously it says right here, commissions earned, and your commissions are unlimited. You have product offers here, customers, affiliates, help, their customer service section. They have a hands-on customer service department, basically, that's here. Here is obviously would be your name and your affiliate ID. So you want to be sure that you have that, in a safe place. And essentially, you decide. You are in control. You can share this and market this anywhere, obviously, within social media as an affiliate. Lots of companies are looking for affiliates, and, they want to pay you handsomely, guys. This was just for me enrolling, for me doing the $1. So essentially, I paid $1 essentially to turn around and earn 21. Okay, so this is just a really fun thing. I will actually have my affiliate link in the description, obviously, of this video so that you have access to that. So anyway, take a look for yourself, guys, and would love to get this, get you started on this and help you really earn, guys. I'm very, very passionate of helping people actually earn from home, and in a matter of minutes, you can have 21, 56, whatever it is, coming, you know, coming to your bank account of choice. So anyway, make it a great one. Take care.